Hey Samsung users, want to make your Galaxy phone feel way faster without installing anything? Here's a pro trick. Unlock developer options and tweak a simple setting. Let's get right to it. First, grab your phone and open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. Next, choose Software Information. See where it says Build Number? Tap that spot 7 times. Yep, 7. Rapid fire. If your phone asks for your PIN, pattern, or password, just enter it. Congrats, you're now a developer. Kind of. Go back to your main settings menu. Scroll all the way down. You'll see a new menu called Developer Options. Don't worry, it's not as intense as it sounds. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll until you see the drawing section. Look for 3 settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. They're all set to 1x by default. Change each one to 0.5x. That's it. Now, every time you open an app or swipe through menus, it'll feel twice as fast. Seriously, you'll notice the difference right away. Quick heads up. Developer options are hidden for a reason. Don't mess with stuff you're not sure about, or you might end up with weird glitches or battery drain. If you want to hide developer options again, just use the toggle at the top of the screen and turn it off. So, next time your Samsung feels sluggish, remember this secret trick.